Welcome, everyone. Good evening, and thank you for joining us this evening for the QuickBooks Online demo. And I am going to show you how to reorganize your charts of accounts. So maybe you did a chart of account and it's a lot this evening how you can organize your charts of account. It doesn't matter what type of business you have. That's what we're going to talk about. So welcome. It is Tuesday evening and we are live here on we're in the clubhouse room. So hello to those who are in the clubhouse room. We are also in the Facebook group. Hello to those who are in the Facebook group. And we're on LinkedIn and YouTube. So hello everyone. Welcome. It's your girl Elaine Forbes Daisley, otherwise known as the Elaine Forbes. I'm your accountant and I help you to just eliminate some of the frustration you have with QuickBooks, bookkeeping. I'm a certified QuickBook Pro advisor, and I've been doing accounting for over 4 decades. Yes, I did went back and check. And guys, you know what I say when you come to my broadcast. It's social media and I like to be social. So remember to say hi, Elaine. And for those who are coming in from the Facebook group, I don't know how to do this. Guys, I did something and now I can't figure it out. Oh, Lord. All right. So how do I do this? Nope. I don't want to stop it. Just give me a minute. Let me Um, oh, there it is. All right. So if you're coming in from the Facebook group, just say hi and say your name because I am on the platform I'm on. It doesn't show your name. It just says Facebook user. So say hello and say this is so and so I can say hello to you. Because it's social media and Elaine likes to be social. We know how that go, right? Amen. All right. Okay. So I guess we're good to go. So, all right. As you know, so for those who are joining us on the Clubhouse room, if you would like to see the live demonstration on YouTube or over on LinkedIn, if you'd like to see the live demonstration, feel free to click the link above my head and it's over on LinkedIn or on YouTube. I got to put the LinkedIn. Um, anyway, so let's get to the going. Let's get the going and the going, whatever that is. Y'all know that. All right. So we are inside of your QuickBooks. And inside of QuickBooks, right, there's two ways to access your charts of account. So we're going to actually show you how to kind of take your chart of account and kind of organize it in a way that you can inside of your QuickBooks it will make sense to you. All right, so now if you click on the gear icon right at the top here, over to the left it says your company, you see charts of account. Once you click on it, if you notice this accounting right over on the left navigation bar actually highlight. So if we were to close this, let's go to dashboard. We're just going to move, and you can also go right to the accounting on the left side and hit charts of account. Now, just so you know, your charts of account help you to organize your transaction, all your financial transaction in a way that it summarize it so it goes on your report. Now, there are some stuff about your chart of account that you want to pay attention to. So on this far right hand side, you have the name. It's the name of the account. Then the accounts type. There are five specific accounts type or classification as it relates to accounting, and then you can put details right here, and right here you're going to see QuickBook balance and bank balance for the bank. So if you notice, these are going to be different. We're not going to talk about that today. We're just going to talk about how to organize this. Now your chart of account is organized the way it appears on your financial statements. So at the top of the chart of account is always going to be your bank. We're going to do it according to the type, right? It is organized according to the account type. So the bank is going to be at the top, then your accounts receivable, then your current asset, then your fixed asset, then your accounts payable, and then your credit cards, other liabilities, equity, and then income and expenses. So what I'm going to show you is how to take this charts of account and go inside your charts of account and kind of clean it up in a way that you want to see it, and so that you understand. Now let's go right here. Now at the top, right here at the top, you see you are using, now QuickBooks has 250 charts of account category inside of QuickBooks that you can use. So in this, they're using 44, but you want to make sure that you're not duplicating your charts. You want to make sure. So now, right where it says run report right here, we're going to run the report, right? We can run the report so we can see all the accounts that, so on this sheet, it has the 44 accounts that we're using. There they are. Now you can also, you can print this and it will give you PDF, and you can print or you can download. You can email it, you can save as a PDF, or you can print. Now the thing I'm going to do, I'm going to export this. So when I'm looking at my chart of account, I'm going to export this. So I'm going to export this. It gives you the option to export to Excel. You can also export to a PDF. And if you want your charts of account, if you're doing a management report and you want the chart of account to appear with it, you can also add it to a management. So this is where I'm going to export this to Excel. So welcome to those who are joining us, whether you're joining us on LinkedIn, in the Facebook group, or on YouTube. Welcome, have a good evening. And remember to say hello, Elaine, because it's social media and I like to be social. Y'all know how that is. And if you, let's see. All right, so all right, so now this is in. Now once you click download, it's going to go to the to open this in an Excel spreadsheet. So we're going to open the Excel spreadsheet. Enable. I don't know what's happening to my Excel. Now I got to check that out. All right, so now it's over here, right? It's over here. And see, even though it says it's 44, if you notice, right, when you come over here, okay, so let's go back up because we're going to go to into this. So if we were to number this, right, let's do that so you can see. We're just going to number this plus so we can see. Let's number. Y'all know I do the cheat way to Excel because sometimes. Now I want to show you so you can. All right. So this says it's 89. 89, right? Lines are in there. But it shows you inside. We're going to move this from over here. And we're going to go back here. And we're going to go to back to charts of account. It says 44, right? So now what QuickBooks is counting, is, I hope this is big enough. I'm going to make it a little bigger because it looks like it's too tiny. All right, there we go. I hope that is big enough. So what QuickBooks is counting, you see how this says accounts receivable? No. All right, let me do this. See all of this? These are all landscape and service. So the different accounts, they're not counting the sub accounts. They're just counting it. So let's say that this is your chart of account and you go in and see that you don't want to see, we're going to highlight these because if you know something about me, I like colors. So it makes my life easier when I'm working with stuff, and because I love green. All right. So these are all landscape. And then you have material. If you don't want to see all of this on your profit and loss, what you can do is that you can just, so we're going to do landscape and service, and we're going to merge all of these together, right? That's if you don't want to see it. Okay, let's go. So you have other income, refund, sales of product, service. Okay, advertising. Let's say you want to see advertising and marketing. So what you're going to do right here, you're going to put advertising, MARK. And then if you want this, I'm going to insert 2 lines because we want this to be a sub account. So we want to see marketing and advertising separate. So what we're going to do, and then we do that. Come on. And then we're going to put right here, we're going to put ADVERTI, advertising. And then we're going to do this again. We're going to do it again. And we're going to put marketing. Now, the reason why we're doing this is because the sub account is advertising and marketing. And we want to, and then for this one, we're going to put ads from, and you can ads printed social media. So these are for advertisement. And then right here, we're going to put marketing and PROMOT, promotion. All right. So now automobile fuel. So we're gonna, that is fine. disposal dues, equipment rental. All right, here's another one that has, right? Let's do this one. This is job expense. You can either have them all. This is now this company is breaking them out according to how they want to see. So these, so even though these are all job expense, you see some over here. Yes, supplies and material, miscellaneous service costs. So that will tell you. Now, the reason why you want to do this also for your charts of account, hey, Mosid, if the reason why you want to do this for your charts of account is when it comes to your taxes, you want to be able to have these categorized so that you can file your tax when you're ready to file your taxes, that you can have the different categories. All right, so legal and professional, see that's all broken out. Professional fee, professional accounting, merge them. We're going to go over, when we go back over to QuickBooks, we're going to see, hey, America's Supermom, welcome. Thank you for joining us today over here in the Clubhouse room. We're doing a live demonstration of QuickBooks and we're over on YouTube. The link is at the top of the room. You can jump over there to see us. We're talking about charts of account. Professional fee, that's the heading, the category. And anything to do with your legal fee, your bookkeeping, accounting, any kind of professional that you engage, that's where you're going to put those expenses. And if you want to see, you can lump them all together, or you can, this is how we do it. We break it out and have accounting, bookkeeping, and lawyer or legal fee, however you want to put that. So you can keep them separate. And repair and maintenance. Now, it is good to make sure that you have your repair and maintenance broken out. If you had a car expense, like if you had a motor vehicle and you want to make sure that you can also put on the repair and maintenance, then you would have a subheading for, so let me do this. Yeah, because I like colors. So I'm going to highlight just this part. Anything that's before the dot, it's not going to make me do it. I was hoping I could do that, but so let's see if we can do no fill. And let's go back here and see if we can only highlight this part. Nope, it doesn't do that. I was hoping that we could do that. It's grayed out, so we can't do that. Anyway, so the first part before the colon, that part is the major account, and then the colon, after the colon is the sub account. So that's one way. When you look at your charts of account, you can see if you have sub account. That's how you, in Excel, that's how you would see it. Then we have office expense. Now, if you notice, this is promotional and it's also a part of advertising. What we can do, so we should have gone through this before we actually made the advertising and promotional account. We can now make this a sub account of advertising. So what we're gonna cut this right here. Now, or you can just mark it out if you're using a PDF document. And we're going to put this right. Let's hope we can insert. Okay, there it is. So now, but what we need to do is that we need to, So this is basically how you want to see stuff. The big category is advertising. And then, if you want to see promotional. So let's say that you're buying promotional items and you want to see those, how much is it costing me for promotion? And if you want to see marketing, because you know that marketing, the items, let's say you want to see the items different from the different marketing event or promotional event. That's why you would um come on. Oh, I made a boo-boo right here because I did. Okay, so this is advertising and marketing. This is what the copy. Let's copy that. Let's put this right here. Let's put that right here and paste it. Oh no, it's not allowing me to do it. Cancel. I'm gonna have to write this in, right? Let's do that. AD. Because we want to keep it. The reason why we're doing that is because we want to keep it uniform, organized. Because some of us, when it's organized, it just makes better sense. All right, there we go. And also the reason why we're doing that is to make sure that when you up in QuickBooks, because we can import this right back into QuickBooks. We want to make sure that it's following the same format. All right, so we take the promotions, utilities, we have gas, unapplied, travel. All right, so we're going to make tax and lien supplies, stationery. All right, so now that we do that, we can take this charts of account and import it. So we're back into QuickBooks. So we're going to do a file and we're going to do save as. No. Cancel. Browse. And we're going to do document. And we're going to just save it. And now we're going to go back to QuickBooks. And what we're going to do is we're going to do new. We're going to do import. And we're going to browse. And okay, no, we're going to go to document. This. And we're going to open. And we're going to go to next. It's going to map the accounts. And here is what it will look like. And this is giving us, all right. So what we're going to do, we're going to X that out. And we're going to go back to import. And let's download the sample. This. Where is it? I can't find it. And we are going to take this out. So this is the template to put it back in. So we're going to take information that I just did, and I'm going to take out this out of it. This information, I'm going to insert, undo, undo. We're going to delete that information. And we're going to delete this. All right. And now we're going to grab this information from over here. And we're going to put it here. And the account name. Oh, no, we're not using any number. Because we're not using. And enter. And then we're going to copy. Copy. And we're going to paste. And then we're going to copy. And we're going to do paste. Save this. And we're going to save this to the document. Save. And now we're going to go back to QuickBooks Online. And we're going to go browse document. And we're going to find this one. Open. We're going to do next. And there it is. And then we're going to do next. And here it is. And we're going to do import. All right, now the reason why these were not imported is because they were already in QuickBooks. So these ones, if you notice, it only imported 2 new ones that I put in. If these were not in there, they would have imported them because we exported from QuickBooks. We're just making sure that the account goes back in. So that's how we clean up our accounts, export it out of QuickBooks, and import it back into QuickBooks. You don't have to sit here and put all the accounts in. That's it, guys, for this evening. Thank you for those who joined us today for the QuickBooks Online live demo. And guys, if you're watching this video and you need help, remember, we also have the Bookkeeping Master membership. The Bookkeeping Master membership, the link will be below. If you join before the end of the month, you will get the discounted price. If not, then you will come in at the full price Yes, we're going to leave without saving. So guys, remember the link will be below this video to join the Bookkeeping Master membership, where you get a lot of training resource material. You also get one-on-one. We also help you with your bank reconciliation and make sure that you are looking at your reports monthly. So guys, thank you for those who join us, and for those who are in the Facebook group. If you were on LinkedIn, if you were on YouTube, and if you were inside of the club, thank you so much for joining us today. So until next week, 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, when we go live again inside the Facebook group, on LinkedIn, and on YouTube, and inside the Clubhouse room. Have a great evening, everyone. I'll see you back here next week, Tuesday, at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Have a great day, everyone.